But wait, there is more. What is going on, guys? I'm working at Wrenchettes. When I'm working this beautiful Montero Sport, I'm gonna laugh as well. All right, let's get into this. Look at this. Man, it is packed in here. It is packed. As you can see, we have the headlights right here. We have the fender right here. We have this bull guard right here. And we have the antenna, in which mine broke a long time ago in the car wash. So I have it right here. I have the tail lights. It has a crack on it. Mine doesn't, but mine has plastic dip, and that thing is gonna be hard to take out because it's baked on there. I have to literally sand it off and polish it and restore it. So I'm just gonna use that one for now and just save my original one. And yeah, and here's the other left side, which I need because I broke this one. I'm taking it apart, and as you can see, the breakage right here. So I super glued it. I could fix that. I could put some Bondo and then sand it down, but it's gonna be a lot of work. I mean, look at that bumper right here, man. 20 bucks. Look at this. As you can see, mine is really busted. Look at that. Right here and right there. But I'm not gonna just change the thing. I'm gonna change it and put the bull guard on it. That's the plan for today. Let's get to it. So I have the first bracket in, but it's twisted, so now we have to straighten that out to put the base. This is the second bracket here. So this is a problem here. This needs to be straight, and that needs to be straight. So we're gonna hit it. And so the truck is somewhat finalized. Nice. So let me show you guys how it looks right now. The current setup. Still not finished though, but this is what it's gonna look like. Anya, excuse me. It has the grill on, it has the original grill on. And yeah, this is how it's gonna look like. But as you can see, it needs more tweaking. But I just wanted to get that thing out of my trunk because I need to sanitize it because this is the daily. And it has the new fender flares, which is gold. And you can even really tell the big difference of it, so pretty cool. I might get them on the rear ones too. But this looks not great, but it protects from bad drivers.
The next morning.
So this is bent right here. So I have to spread it a little bit. Sieve it. This is the end product right here. The bracket is straight, well, more or less straight. Good enough. So what we did for this one, it was bent right here up. So then we just straightened that out like that. And I bolts onto this. So this one was way worse because the tip was pointing up. Like right here, it was pointing up. And that's why I couldn't figure it out. But now that it's straight, I have to put this side like this in the support frame on that side. This is another one right there. Put it coming through here, and then it goes on to that bolt right there.
cogiendo montes y
No, esos no son míos, ¿no? Las mías están ahí metidos.
yo creo que eran tus.
No, esos no son míos. Igualmente. That is in there, now it's straight. And it's held on pretty tight, it's not gonna go nowhere. So yeah, the thing is looking way better than it was before. Alright, so here is the final result. The brush guard is way more straighter than it was before. It has a little bit of tilt still. I hit it over there, but it's pretty hard down there to straighten it. Hey, if it's for 38 bucks, you can't beat it. So this is after the first wash. Just wanted to show you guys. The copper actually darkened a lot. But yeah, this is how she looks. She looks very nice. Get over here. That's how she looks inside. The new tails, nice and clean. It's a lot of yellow, which I don't like it. This is still silver, and this is the gold. So it's nice and sturdy. Oh, I forgot to clean that. Yeah, this is how she looks right now after the first clean. I haven't adjusted fully, but it's really good. It's almost perfect. Just needs some minor adjustments and scraping and repainting. But wait, there is more. If you think that was the end, no, my friend, no. I forgot that I had a sunroof that was hard to get, and that Montero Sport had it. So I asked for pictures of how was the state of that sunroof, and to my surprise, that sunroof was almost immaculate. It has some rust spots, but really minimum compared to mine that was just terrible. Because my Montero Sport right now is my daily and it's my family car. So anything that will harm me, myself, and most importantly my babies have to get fixed ASAP. And that's why you haven't seen much of the G35 and the current process of it, because I have to prioritize this truck right here because it is my daily, it is my family car. Okay, as you can see, these things take up a few space on this thing, you know what I'm saying? Now this is not perfect by any means. As you can see, the clear is coming off. But the reason that I wanted the rear flares is because mine's silver, right? And I just painted that. But the front ones are gold. So I said, you know what? Since I'm going back for the roof, I might as well just get these and just match it. All right, so here is the roof I got. Now, as you can see, this one is in very much awesome condition. Not perfect, as you can see here, it has a little opening there. It's coming up with a little bit of rust, but if you turn it around, I mean, just look at this. See? Here's where the rust is. I'm gonna take care of that before I put it on. But as you can see here, like the metal here is almost in great condition. I mean, it has like minor rust spots, but that's about it. I mean, look at this. And for 20 bucks, you can't find a roof that's this old in this condition, unless it was garage kept. If it was in the elements, it's really hard because these things are prone to rust. So here's our parts list. I got the sunroof, the two rear fender flares, and the bumper for 40 bucks. Okay, so I got some scuffing there. I pull this apart a little bit. I'm gonna reglue it right now, and then yeah, that'll be it. Okay, so let's start by taking these 3 bolts, and that's it. That's all it takes. You know, normally use this adapter. These are like a ratcheting adapter, like a size adapter. If you need one of these, I'll link in the description. And now let's compare these. Now this is the paint already, so it looks way nicer. Look at the difference between that and that. that right there is just to protect it. I just don't want the rust to spread. That's the point of this, just to stop the rust where it is and stop it in its tracks, and then later on repair it. Let's continue. Okay, so after much fighting, this thing is finally on. It did not want to go in, especially in these 2 or 3 clips right here, but finally it's on.